Starting the model. You can start the software by double-clicking the GTMax icon on your desktop. In the first screen, you choose the database you want to work with. You select a database by moving the cursor to the desired database and clicking OK. Next, you will see a list of available case studies stored in the database. A database can contain multiple cases. You open the case study you want to view by either double-clicking the case description or by highlighting the case and clicking on the Open button. More than one case can be opened at this point. The case will appear in the network display. In this example, you are looking at a geographical network representation of a U.S. utility system. The graphical user interface is designed to help you quickly formulate your case studies. By using mouse point and click actions, you can quickly build power system components and interconnections. You can also point and click on any component of the network and get its access to all input data and many of the model results. To zoom in and zoom out, you can click the magnifying glass icons in the toolbar. You can also reposition the network if you click and hold the mouse button. A hand icon will appear. Drag the mouse according to how you want to move the network. Additionally, you can choose to display a functional network representation by going to View, Functional Network. Here you can also zoom in, zoom out, and reposition the network to meet your needs. GTMax is very versatile in that you start with an empty workspace and build a power system topology of nodes and links. Using GTMax's user-friendly interface, building networks of regional, national, or multinational scope is as easy as drag and drop. GTMax uses a network consisting of a set of nodes and links to represent power systems. Nodes in the system represent various supply and demand options, such as combined heat and power, pumped storage, demand for heat, heat boilers, energy interchanges, electric load centers, spot market nodes to represent the market for energy at interconnection points with systems that border the simulated region, hydropower plants, thermal power plants, firm energy purchases, firm energy sales, substations, incoming energy exchanges, and outgoing energy exchanges. Links in the network represent waterway systems that connect cascaded hydropower systems, heat pipelines, and electric transmission lines. You can use the drop-down menus to choose from a variety of different overlays of node-specific information, such as model results for hourly energy flows from generators and IPP firm contract purchases to load centers and spot market delivery points. Highlight the information you want to view, and the model will retrieve the information from the database and display it next to the individual nodes. You can simultaneously view two or more scenarios at once. You can also select different overlays for reservoir-specific information, such as the initial reservoir elevation. In addition, you can display different transmission-related data, such as the hourly energy flows. Please note that GTMax uses a color coding to indicate the utilization of transmission lines. Lines displayed in red are near their transmission capabilities. The network always displays information for one particular hour in the week. If you want to view the data for a different hour, you can select the day and hour in the drop-down toolbar. Highlight the hour you are interested in, and the model will retrieve the numbers from the database and update the network display with the new information. In addition, the model allows you to view a sum for all 24 hours of a particular day by selecting All under Hours.